You ain't gotta make a move, just lay in the air and I'll be right there next to you. I'll be at your service. We'll do all the things you want to, lighting candles, kissing slow, closing blinds and locking doors. Trust me, once I get a hold of you, I'll never let go. I bet you won't be standing when it all.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this Vampy fall look, and we're just going to get right into the video. So I'm going to be using one palette, my Saharan 2 palette from Jwillscool. I'm going in with this color, and this is Fez. I'm using that as my transition shade, and I'm using this big fluffy brush. This is the MAC 224 or 231 brush dupe. I don't remember, 231, 234, I don't remember. So I'm just blending right now on my lid in a circular motion because I kind of wanted, you know, this nice vampy look. Yeah, that's what we're going for. So I'm just using this brush to just blend out the transition shade. It's going to be like a base and also a transition shade. So we're just blending out Fez from the Saharan 2 palette. Yeah, and I'm just trying to go into a circular motion, trying to get everything nice and, you know, blown out into my crease and the lid area. We're just blending with this very fluffy brush. And then I'm going to go in with Nomad, and I'm using Nomad on my fingers. Sorry for my very cute fingers. Yeah, so we're going in with that Nomad, and that is just going to give it, you know, a little shine, you know, because we're wearing matte, but I kind of wanted, you know, something shiny because I love shiny stuff on my eyes, because when you have smaller eyes you really have to, you know, get them sparkling. So I went in with Zora. I went in, yeah, with Zora from the same Saharan 2 palette, and I'm just adding that to the outer V of my eyes just to, you know, get everything deepened. Yeah, so I wanted this burgundy looking red to just deepen the outer V of my eyes. So we're having, you know, everything popping in the inner portion of my eyes, and then at the outer portion deepen with a little matte, you know, red or burgundy. And I just went over that with a little more of the Nomad to just, you know, get everything sparkly. Then I'm going in with Aziza, and Aziza is it's a pearly golden looking color. Yeah. I'm just taking that to the inner portion of my eyes, you know, just to get my inner corners to pop, because that's what we're going for. Then I went to my lower lid or my lower lash line with I went with Fez first, and then later went in with Zora. Yeah, so that's what we're doing, just to ensure that everything is nice and balanced, like the look on my eyes. Red at the top, red at the bottom, because that's the look that we're going for, the vampy fall look. Yeah, but just with a dash of sparkle or shimmer, if you want to say. And I went in with a smaller brush to just add the Zora, and then I blended it out with the fake matte brush. And as I showed, this was the Saharan 2 palette. Okay, so now I'm going in with my ColourPop concealer, guys. I'm going to have a video where I use all of ColourPop, because I have a lot of stuff that I got from ColourPop. I'm supposed to make a video, but I just haven't gotten around it. I'm using this ColourPop foundation in 195 or dark 195, yeah, and it's very nice. It's a little bit, you know, like it has a little tinty weeny bit like a red undertone, but I think it works for me. Like I don't even know what undertone I have, like my face, because my face is darker than my entire body because I have hyperpigmentation around my mouth, so it kind of works to bring back the color to my face. Yeah, so dark 195. I think so. Maybe I can get like maybe dark 185. I think I should get that, or dark 190. So I don't know, it looks okay to me. Just a little tad bit like red. Kind of want a little bit of yellow in my, you know, complexion. But it works because I'm gonna go in with the concealer, and the concealer has that warm undertone, so maybe it's fine. So I'm using the ColourPop concealer in dark 46, and I'm just, you know, highlighting under my eyes, my cupid's bow, my nose bridge, and a little bit under my my lips. So yeah, we're just highlighting, as you can see. Just went in with that under my lips to just get everything nice and popping. Oh, and I did a little bit of reverse contouring, and I took the, you know, the concealer right above my, what do you say, the line where my natural contour starts, like just a bit above it, because we want to go for the higher contour. Contoured my face a little bit higher. And then I went in with this blending brush, guys, and I was dancing and singing because of Mario's new song, because, you know, I'm saying I love Mario. If anybody knows me, I am in love with Mario Barrett. So I was just listening to the song throughout this video and dancing and singing and feeling it, you know, while I was blending my concealer. It was like, yeah. Yes, guys, so as you can see, I'm just using the same brush. This is coming from the Sylyne brush set. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I'll attach a link to the right of your screen. And I'm using my beauty sponge. You know, I didn't wet it, guys, because I was too lazy to get up and to wet it. So I used it dry, and it did a good job. Yeah, it did a good job to blend out the concealer. I'm not sure if you use it dry to blend out your foundation, if it would, you know, if it would make sense. But it did a good job blending out my concealer, as you can see. Yeah, and just blending out the side of my face where I did my reverse contouring, because of course I got a little fat. I'm a little bit on the chunkier side. Yeah, so as you can see right there at my lips, while I was filming, I'm like, Jody, you didn't blend out that part. But anyway, it's going to blend out itself eventually. So I'm using my Coty Airspun powder, and I'm just using that to set the highlighted portions of my face. Yes, and guys, this powder is very nice, and you just don't, you shouldn't go in with a lot. That's one thing, very important, especially for us dark skinned women. You can't go in with a lot of the Coty Airspun powder, but it's very good. It sets your makeup, and it doesn't, you don't get flashback and so forth from this if you use it properly. Yeah, but it does a good job. I like it, and it is very mattifying, and yeah, it has a very strong smell, but you know, yeah, I'm kind of over it now, to be honest. But yeah, I'm just using that now to set my face, not using a lot because we don't want to look ghostly. Yeah, and I went in with my ColourPop powder, and this is the medium dark or medium deep set translucent powder, that is. Yes, as I said before, I'm going to be doing a video with everything ColourPop, and then I'm just gonna swatch some lipsticks and some stuff that I've gotten from them. But look out for that video. I have to like dedicate my time to that video because that's going to be a long video. Yeah. But look out for that video coming soon, guys. And I just used this brush from Ovani brush set. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out. It should be at the right of your screen. And I'm just blending out everything now and just buffing everything into my face. And I was just talking to myself and singing because I was just feeling the music, you know. Look at my so I went in with my Jordana pressed powder in dark cocoa, and I'm just kind of contouring my nose a bit, just a little bit, because, you know, after adding, oh my gosh, I'm just feeling the song. Watch it, oh my god. Yeah, and I'm just going in now with a little bit more of the that color, what's it? That yellow looking pearlescent color. Yeah. So I went in with my lashes and my mascara. Oh, I used my DDK silk mascara for my lower lashes. So anytime you see my videos with my lashes, or my lower lashes looking like really long, DDK. I'll leave a link to the right of your screen so you can go and check that out. I'm using now my LA Girls Brick Blush Foundation Kit. Foundation Kit, Jody, no. My Brick Blush Kit. And the contour shade, of course, is finished. So I have to get a contour, you know, thingy. But I'm using the blush, the peachish looking blush, to just, you know, give my cheek a little bit more, you know, rosiness. Then I'm going with my e.l.f. Baked highlighter and my highlighter brush or contour brush from Real Techniques. And I love this highlighter because it is very, you know, if you go in with, when you start, it's like buildable, so it's like easy to apply, and you can know whether or not you're applying a lot of highlighter. So this is why I really like it, because sometimes you add your highlighter and you're just going with too much and you have to be blending it out. But this highlighter, it allows you to just pat the highlighter, and you can, you know, add, as you add, you can look whether or not you want more or less. Yeah. And I'm just blending out the same highlighter on my nose bridge just to give it a little, you know, shine. Yeah. And I went above my brow bone and I'm just adding a little of the highlighter. Cause yeah, it's fall. I wanted to go for this vampy look, and I wanted to glow, and I wanted to look bronzy, and yeah. Yeah. But yeah, I was like feeling this look. Everything was red or brick red. Like I was wearing that. I didn't even realize that I was wearing that blouse. So I'm like, Jody, you have red eyes, a red blouse, and then this red lipstick, and this is BAM. This is the Laura Lee collaboration with ColourPop. Yeah, I'm using that to line my lips. I know the controversy, like with Laura Lee and all of that, but you know, people have to live and they have to learn. And yeah, I hope she comes back from all of this, because I don't think that she's a bad person and she has bad intentions or anything. Like, people are making all of these crazy videos, and you know, but I don't ever like to see people, you know, go down like that. Like, we should all give people another chance to, you know, prove themselves. And at the same time, you know, everybody, we have to learn, and things happen in our life, our lives, to allow us to learn, not to, you know, be responsible for our actions and so forth. So yeah, I hope she moves on. Like, she's not a bad person. I don't think she's a bad person. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going in with Tule from ColourPop. Yeah. I'm just adding that now to my lips, because I wanted that, you know, red look, but I didn't want red because it was like too much. I kind of wanted, you know, a little hint of red with a little, like, just I didn't want it to be super strong. I wanted it to be like toned down. Yeah, so that's the reason why I went in with Tule. Yeah. And yeah, we're all done. Oh, I went in with a little bit more of the highlighter, because I'm like, okay, it's not a lot, so I can pop some more highlighter just to glow up a little bit more. Yeah, then I just brushed away everything. I'm just gonna get my hair down now. Yeah, so just getting my hair down. Yeah. What am I doing? What are you doing, Jody? Yeah. And this is what we have here. Just use my fingers to comb it out. At this point, guys, I was like confused at what to. Oh wow, guys, look at that. Look at my edges. What's that? Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm brushing my hair. I love this hair, guys. It is so nice. It lays so flat. It's just funny that I have like this. My head is a little bit weird. I have like cone head. So it looks a little bit long up at the top, but it's actually very flat. But this hair is really nice. It's really flat, and it's almost like perm hair. And I love this ball cap method. And the ball cap method that I did, it was like, it wasn't like perfect. It was like 2 seconds. I didn't know. I put it on so fast. But yeah, guys, the hair is so flat onto my head. And I only used the Got2b glue to lay the frontal. But in terms of like baby hairs and so forth, I didn't use any got to be glue. And yeah, it's giving me a nice vibe. I look very vampy. I was just feeling this look, and I was just like wearing that brick red blouse, brick red lips with red, you know, lips. I was just playing around, like, yeah, playing around with the looks to just, you know, feel myself. I eventually like created a style at the top, like, you know, just a little bump, whatever. And yeah, but this is the hair, guys. I love it. I love this look. I love how I love how I love how everything turned out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Bring you back to me.